Hey, and I'm back. So with this video, I'm going to show you some of the centerpieces that I'm working on. So I'm making this ring from this wreath form and this floral form that I got from Dollar Tree. So I just spray painted them silver and I attached this on top. I put some wooden dowels in there. I didn't cut them down far enough, so I'm going to have to probably sand that down because that's still showing. If I can't cover it up with the bling wrap, I'm gonna have to sand that down. But that's how I attach this. And I also put some hot glue and E6000, but I just put the little dowels in there so it can stay in place. I am going to do another one so I'll definitely do a video on that. So this is going to be the diamond for, or the bride's, like the bride's ring. So I'm gonna make this one as the groom's ring. I am not going to put a diamond on this. I'm just going to spray paint it silver and put one strip of bling wrap around it. So in my last video, if you guys if you've watched it, so I bought these adhesive strips from Joann Fabric. So these are the ones I bought, and these are the ones that I use on here. If I do this again, which I probably am, I'm definitely not using these. So initially, I was going to use this bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. So this doesn't have an adhesive back. So I thought, well, I need something with adhesive on it because it's gonna make my life easier. Which, in fact, it did make my life easier, but I don't know, it's too much. So initially, I cut. Because this is like one piece, so it's not like you can take them apart or anything like that. You got to cut them. So initially I cut 3 strips and I wrapped it around, but it wasn't laying right. So now I have to cut these strips off here one by one to put around here. And I mean, it's fairly easy once you do it, but it's real time consuming. Very real time consuming. But I figure it's easier than doing the Dollar Tree bling wrap, because like I said, it doesn't have any adhesive, and this is kind of expensive. I'm trying to keep my centerpieces as low cost as possible. These packs were $5.49 each, so they weren't on sale. But when I went there, I was able to, I had a 40% off coupon. I used my military discount, and then the cashier told me to go on Google. She said go on Safari or either Google and type in Joann coupon. I think that's what she told me to type in. And another 40% coupon came up, and I was able to use that one as well. So I didn't pay full price because, like I said, I had 2 40% off coupons, and I was able to use my military discount. But still, this is kind of pricey because this right here is 3 complete packs right here. And, you know, that didn't even get me halfway through. So basically, this is what I did. You know, just cutting each strip and wrapping it around there. So time consuming, but I think it's gonna be cute. I know it's gonna be cute when I'm done, but it's very time consuming. So that's one. And like I said, for this one, I'm just gonna paint silver, and I'm gonna cut the strips, and then I'm just gonna put, you know, one strip around there and call it good for that one. So that's that centerpiece. So, and I'm also working on this one. So this one was definitely a labor of love. So I'm gonna do another one of these as well, and I will do a video. So basically in here I have two paper towel holders from the Dollar Tree. I zip tied them together at the top and the bottom, and then I spray painted them. And then I have I don't know if you guys can see at the top, but I have like the white floral foam at the top, and I have one at the bottom. These are mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I glued them all around, and I glued one on the bottom as well. They're the candle holder mirror things. So it was very hard for me to put these together. I didn't realize that a lot of those mirrors at Dollar Tree, they're all not the same size. I realized that when I was doing this. So, and I put styrofoam down in there, and I'm just putting flowers in there. So I got these flowers, these different roses from Hobby Lobby. I have to get more because I was working on 2 centerpieces at one time, so I didn't have enough flowers. But last week they were 50% off. So the original price is $11.99, and it's like, I don't know, it's quite a few roses on the bush for, you know, for that price, for $6. So so yeah, that's that one. And this bling, so I got this bling on a roll from Hobby Lobby. They didn't have any today when I went in there, so I'm gonna have to check the other Hobby Lobby about my job. So I just put it right there because my seams, like where I glued the mirrors together, like I said, it was a lot of gaps and stuff. These mirrors are not the same size, so I just put that in there to cover that up. So that's that one. And this one right here, this one is my labor of love, let me tell y'all. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. It's kind of tall. So let's just go with the top first. So basically, this is how tall it is. So it's tall. I'm gonna try to get a good picture when I finish this video. I'm gonna try to get a good picture to insert it in. So basically what I did, I got 2 wooden boxes from, I think I got them from Michael's. I have seen people do something similar to this, and they got like the pictures from Dollar Tree, and you can make that. So I got the boxes from Michael's, and I got these wooden dowels from Michael's. I got these. They were actually one time I got a $5 grab bag, and they had these in there. So I've had these for a while. So I have these, and basically I spray painted the 2 boxes, and well, first of all, I glued it together. So I glued the wooden dowels into the bottom box with hot glue and E6000, and then I let it dry a little bit, and then I did the same to the top box. So that's what I did first. And then I put I have styrofoam in here, so I put styrofoam in the bottom of this, right? And I just stuck flowers in here. Again, I got these flowers from Hobby Lobby when they were last week, when they were 50% off. So I don't want this to look like wood. So I have this ribbon. I got this from Hobby Lobby as well when it was 50% off. I can't remember the price of it, but it's not, you can't bend it real easy. It's kind of stiff like, so I think that worked out good there. So I glued that around the bottom of that like that, because like I said, and when I'm finished with this, I don't want it to look like wood. So, and then I got those same little bling on a roll from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just putting strips of it down here because again, I don't want it to look like wood. So I definitely need a lot of strips because this is one complete strip. So one strip goes this far. So I have like 6 strips on here. So 6 strips, or goes this far, 6 strips per pole. So it's 4 poles. So I have to get more. So hopefully I can find more at the Hobby Lobby by my job tomorrow. So that's what I'm waiting on to finish. Well, that's not the only thing I'm waiting on to finish this. I got to get more flowers too, because like I said, I was working on 2 centerpieces at the same time. So I haven't completely filled one of them up because I ran out of flowers. So I also got these from Hobby Lobby today, and I'm going to adjust my camera a little bit, and you can see those hanging right there, right? So let's see if you can see. So I also put this ribbon, I glued it around the top of here, and these hanging gems, right? These hanging gems, they have little hooks on them that hold them together. So they have the little hooks that hold them together, and basically what I did was I just put that hook inside inside the fabric, inside the ribbon right there, and I just let them hang. So on this one I put 2 of them together, then I put 3 of them together, then I put 4 of them together, and on this one I'm going to put 5 of them together, and I'm just going to let it hang like that. And basically I did the top the same way. So this particular flower right here, I was only able to find these at Michael's, and it hangs like this. So I want to get a few of these to go in the top, but I didn't find any today. I only found 2 of them in there, and I went to 2 different Michael's. I was only able to find 2 out of the 2 Michael's that I went to. So yeah, so that's what I have so far for my centerpieces. I think this one is going to be my favorite. I don't know why. I'm just praying like when I'm done, it really doesn't look like it's made out of wood. That's why I'm putting all this on here, because I don't want you to be able to see the wood. I want it to look very, very elegant. So so I'm going to finish this up tonight. I'm going to finish what I can tonight with all the stuff I have. And like I said, I'm gonna do another one of these, so I'll do a video on how I did that. I'm also gonna do another one of these. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do another one of these with the mirrors because it was so hard with those mirrors. I'll probably do another one similar to that, but I'll use something else as a base other than the mirrors. So that's it for my centerpieces, guys, that I have so far. So I'll definitely be working on more because for my engagement party, I have 8 round tables, so I have to definitely get have enough centerpieces for 8 round tables. And then of course, you know, like your food table and all that good stuff. So I definitely need 8 good centerpieces for my engagement party. And I don't want each table to have the same centerpiece, so that's why I'm making different ones and see what I like and how I'm gonna go with that. So thank you guys for watching. Please continue to follow my journey as I plan my wedding, decorate my wedding, all that good stuff. And I'm decorating for my sister's her bridal shower, so I have to do decorations for that. Her colors are totally different than mine. She's using silver as well. So some of the stuff I can use, like most of the stuff I probably could still use. I just take the flowers out and change the colors, but I don't know if I really want to do that. So I'll probably just make different stuff. And plus her theme is Paris. So yeah, so all right, you guys, thank you for watching and be on the lookout for some DIY centerpiece videos.